Hey everyone, and welcome to Mac Tuts Plus. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Time Machine to back up to multiple destinations. One of the new features of Mountain Lion included Time Machine being able to support backing up to more than one location. This is ideal if you use a portable computer and you're often switching between home and the office. You can keep one hard drive at the office and one hard drive at home. That way, if anything was to go wrong or missing with one of the backups, you will always have another backup off-site ready to use. There's no special setup needed. Everything we're going to do today is done within the Time Machine system preferences. To start, open up System Preferences, either through the dock or through the Apple menu. Then select Time Machine from the bottom row under System. As you can see, Time Machine has not been configured yet. The first thing I need to do is select a backup disk. Here we can see I've got the option to back up to either my server or to my external hard drive. I'm going to use my external hard drive to begin with, so select that and then select Use Disk. Now that I've set up a Time Machine backup location, Time Machine will start counting down to the next backup. However, for all intents and purposes, Time Machine is now set up to back up to my hard drive. So now I'm going to click on Select Disk again, and then choose my server to back up to. Now, Mountain Lion will prompt me if I'd like to replace the Time Machine backup location I chose first with a new one, or if I'd like to use both of them at the same time. I'm going to select Use Both. Now as I'm connecting to a server, I need to authenticate. If you are using multiple hard drives, you won't see this message. Now as you can see, Time Machine is now displaying more than one backup location. I can even add more locations or remove them as needed. So I'm not limited to just 2 locations, I could add theoretically as many as I wanted. Since I selected Backup Now from the menu, this will start the Time Machine backup. As you can see, it's attempting to back up to the server first. I'm going to stop that backup. Now if I select Backup from the menu item again, you will now see Time Machine is backing up to the other location, to the external hard drive. Once Time Machine completes a backup, or if it's cancelled, the next time it runs, it will try and back up to the alternate location first. Effectively, it backups to one and then the other and then back again, and will continue in this pattern. So if you had 3 hard drives labelled 1, 2 and 3, it would back up to number 1 first, and then number 2, and then number 3, before going back to number 1 again. So how can this be useful? Well, if you're at home and you have an iMac, for example, you could have 2 hard drives, one that sits on your desk and is your primary backup, and every now and again you could plug in a second portable hard drive and then take it away and leave it at a friend or relative's house as an off-site backup. This would mean, should the worst happen to your Mac and backup drive, you will have something to restore from at another location. And if you have a portable Mac that you take between the home and the office, you could have a hard drive at each location. That way you will have a backup running at home, and whenever you're at the office, you will have a separate backup running there as well. And that's it. That's all you need to do to set up additional Time Machine locations. If you have a spare hard drive in addition to your existing backup one, I'd highly recommend using this feature, since at the very least, should your backup drive fail, you will automatically have another drive that will continue backing up as normal. Thanks for watching, and as always, leave your comments and feedback below. Thank you.